pretty exciting day. It's the 8th of January and we've just brought Virgo down Anderton Boat Lift. So it's probably the first time that she's ever been down the lift and ever been on the River Weaver navigation. So yeah, we're excited to get her home and get started on all the work that needs doing. We have come down the lift, we're onto the Weaver, we've gone up Hunt's Lock, and we're very fortunate that we also operate a boatyard. So we've got a week free on the dry dock, so we've just come down the lift and actually let's put the boat on the dry dock and get started on the work. So here we go. Well, the water's nearly all drained out of the dry dock. She's not been out of the water for about 12 years, so it'll be interesting to see what the hull is like. Yeah, let's go and have a look. Well, it actually looks like she's not in that bad a condition. So the hull has been epoxied 12 years ago approximately. Underneath, the base plate has obviously been replaced at some point, but the last time she was docked, she's been epoxied. She's been grip blasted and epoxied, so her base plate is mint. There's not a mark on her. These are just drips as she's drying off. So all the paint is still intact, which is fab, so there's no corrosion there. Base plate looks like it's only about 6mm anyway, but it's painted, so that's fine. The sides, a bit of corrosion along the waterline, which is expected. We've got bitumen, and then I believe this has been epoxied. But the plan, we'll pressure wash her off, wire brush any bits that are needed, and get some more epoxy on her. She is an old girl, bless her. She was built in 1935, so she's had patches put on her along chine behind these knees, but that's okay. Being kept on top of, so that's all good. But she's all looking in pretty good condition, so yeah, that's good. She's pretty.